Hello guys, welcome to my channel Proven TV. This is Sharmin. Today guys I am going to show you how to get rid of acne or pimple in natural way. Take a fresh garlic, then take 1 cubes of the garlic. It is very easy and fast, and you always find garlic in our home. So remove the skin. Then slice into 2 parts. Remove the juice into it. After removing the juice, apply the juice on your pimple before going to bed. At first, fresh your skin and apply the juice on your pimple and leaves it for full night. Wash your face morning with normal water. So guys, follow the remedies twice in a week. You will get a better result. So guys, if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to see my next uploads videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.